Big story we're following for you tonight as the COVID-19 vaccine becomes more widely available here in the Bay Area. There are questions of whether counties can, keep up with the demand.
That's the key. In just a few days, people 50 and older will be eligible to sign up for the vaccine. And soon after, everybody 16 and older is fair game. But are there enough shots to go around? KRON 4's Dan Kerman joins us live with some answers. And Dan, that is obviously the key question.
That is the key question. Counties are hoping that what they've heard from the state and what the state has heard from the feds is true, that all of this extra vaccine will be coming and coming in time. Some communities are staffing up. Some say they are ready to go anyways. And also some are focusing on those who remain unsure about the vaccine to try and change those minds.
Tens of thousands of new members just within our community are going to become eligible all on the same day.
The prospect of opening COVID-19 vaccine eligibility to everyone 16 and older in just a few weeks has Marin County making plans, among other things, asking the state to bring in additional vaccinators.
We were relieved to see that request to the state for additional staff was delivered. I mean, within a week, they've arrived, we're training them, and they're ready to go. They're already working.
County Health Officer Dr. Matt Willis says that will help expand hours at existing mass vaccination sites. They also plan to dedicate certain days to underserved communities so they aren't edged out by increased demand.
And have certain links to those appointments that are distributed through our faith-based organization, community-based organizations, so their members can get in. And that's really the best way to structurally protect appointments for people on the margins.
In Solano County, their mass vac sites are already staffed to handle more demand, but they say they've learned they're not for everyone.
There's a certain percentage of the population with each tier that are willing to go to that type of a venue, and others really aren't. They need a more comfortable, smaller scale venue, something closer to home.
Solano County has relied on community clinics for that and will have to lean more heavily on that to get those who remain unsure about the vaccine.
You're talking about having to individually interact with people to try to help them feel comfortable with something that they're not currently comfortable with. That's a one-on-one process. That is not a group, open it up and they'll come running to you kind of a process. And we need to be patient with that. And there, large volumes of vaccine is not the solution. Their patience is the solution.
Again, the governor has said that right now we're doing about 1.8 million vaccinations a week in California. He sees that going up to 2.5 million and eventually 3 million administered a week. Again, that is all dependent on that supply that should start trickling in about a week or so. Reporting live, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.